This is Kent at KJS Painting and Renovations, and today I'm going to show you how I install one of these CR stairs handrail kits. Ordered this on Amazon. It's kind of funny. It's for my neighbor, right? I was having trouble drilling the hole, so look, I plugged in right here. Here's my van, and look, first time I've done this. I have one extension cord that manages to get all the way over here. When you're doing this job, it's important to use a plug-in drill. I was trying it with one of these. Just doesn't work. It's November, right? So they give you one of these to see if the depth is right. See? It's Christmas time. Fits in well. But yeah, here's the railing. I marked it, top and bottom. It comes with the drill bit. Put on a couple nuts and kind of hammer it in like so. A couple of washers on there, that way it can't go too far down. Good to have one of these blowers here to kind of clear the hole. Check the depth. You get to the green, you're A-okay. Look at this. You hear that noise? See how clean the street is? The street sweeper just went by. And so, just my luck. Well, it is Monday, right? So at least it only did it here so I could put an end on. See, look at this. Maybe this is not such a good idea. Cars. I ran to the hardware store and picked up a new end, so I only lost about 8 inches off of this cord. And also, while I was there, I picked up one of these SDS Plus bits that goes with a proper hammer drill. It's a Bosch Bulldog. And so, yeah, this ain't easy. So, you know, that wasn't cutting it either. So this is the way to go. I recommend this. Here we go. The right tool makes it way easier. The most difficult part on this job is getting in these anchors. And this porch is sloped, right? So the rain goes off. So on this side, 3 washers are going to go underneath, right? Putting together the railing is easy. You guys can figure that out. Okay, so now sort of set the railing on here with everything loose, right? I got a level on here, see? And also it should be kind of parallel with this, but you see, got my level on here, and these washers are gonna help. Got it on down here. So keep it all loose for now. The CH handrail comes with a nut driver, so I switched back over to this, and that's pretty tight. Kind of tighten them evenly. I got the clutch on there on the heaviest setting. Oh, there you go, clutch kicking in. I like to reach up and really give this thing some hell a little bit. See if I could loosen these up down here. Check this. That's pretty darn close to plumb. I'm looking good with these 3 washers under here, right? Okay, after the wiggle, that's damn tight. Check for tightness. Take a little more. Well, these anchors are sticking up kind of high, so see, this doesn't quite hit the ground. So like, this is optional, but I'm gonna come and cut these off here. Okay, got those cut. Let's see how this sits now. Well, there we go. See? That looks much better, sitting nice and flush. It's a good idea to take the burr off of there. This is none too friendly. Also did these folks the courtesy of catching most of this dust in a bucket. So now at this stage, we're adding in these screws here, right? It comes with these self-tapping screws. And they gave us the courtesy of giving us this driver. That last little bit for sure do by hand. Okay, it looks like it comes with these little plastic end caps, which looks like they're gonna fit in here, right? It's not easy to do. The edges on here are a little too sharp for my taste, so I take a little piece of sandpaper, kind of round this off before it goes in there. Okay, got the end in there. Let's see, got this one in as well. Here's what it looks like. You know, final verdict on this thing, it's like, I like it. This is, man, points out of 10. This is getting like a 9. This is great. This is working for me. Final verdict, the CH Handrail Stairs Handrail Kit. It's working for me. It gets the job done, and it's gonna work for somebody that had a fall not long ago. Well, this has been Kent at KJS Painting and Renovations, and this is how I install one of these CH handrails. And if you want some help installing one of these, you know what to do. And I do thank you for your likes, subscriptions, and for supporting me and my business.
Ain't no more money when you're dead.